Which cooker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the best slow cookers and pressure cookers to help you make the right choice. Product number 1, Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. First up is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Priced at $109.99, this appliance caught my eye with its promise of combining 7 different cooking functions into one. If you want an all-in-one solution for your cooking needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Instant Pot can pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, make rice, yogurt, and keep your meals warm. That 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, allowing you to whip up meals for up to 6 people. Plus, the unique easy-release steam switch ensures you can release steam safely without a mess. With over 800 recipes available in the app, it's a great way to experiment with new dishes. And it's been bought over 4,000 times in the past month. That's a strong indication of its popularity. Now, some people complained about the learning curve with the Instant Pot. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the cooking speed and versatility really make it worth the effort. It's great for those who enjoy cooking but want to save time. This is perfect for you if you're a busy person looking to simplify meal prep. Skip this one if you prefer traditional cooking methods and aren't ready to embrace the pressure cooking revolution. For the price and features, it's definitely a solid investment. Now, if the learning curve of the Instant Pot worries you, the next one might be even more straightforward. Product number 2, Kosori Pressure Cooker 6QT, which is priced at $80.92. What grabbed my attention here is its 9-in-1 functionality along with 12 safety features. If safety and ease of use are high on your list, this one deserves your attention. The Kosori offers pressure cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sauteing, and more, all in one pot. The ceramic nonstick inner pot is a game changer for easy cleanup, and the push-button steam release design makes venting simple and safe. With 12 safety features, you can cook with peace of mind, knowing you're protected from overcooking and scalding. It's been bought over 2,000 times this month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some users mentioned that the lid can be tricky to lock properly. I'll be real with you, if you're not careful, it can lead to some frustrating moments in the kitchen. But once you get the hang of it, it's a reliable and safe cooker. This is perfect for you if you're safety conscious and want something straightforward to use. Skip this one if you prefer a more complex cooking experience. At this price point, it's an excellent deal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for versatility. Product number 3, Comfy 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Now, let's talk about the Comfy 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. It's priced at $81.99 and has been gaining traction with over 700 units sold recently. What caught my eye here is the promise of 14 preset functions, allowing you to cook almost anything you can think of. This pressure cooker is not just a one-trick pony. It can handle pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, and even yogurt making, all in one device. The intelligent delay timer means you can set it up in advance and have your meals ready when you are. Plus, with 10 safety features, you can cook confidently, knowing you're protected. This is especially beneficial for busy families. However, I did notice some complaints about the pot being a bit smaller than expected. Now, here's the thing. Unless you're cooking for a large group, it may not be a deal breaker. It's still a solid option for everyday meals. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional cooker that simplifies your cooking routine. Skip this if you regularly cook for more than 4 people. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for even more capacity, the next cooker we have takes that to another level. Product number 4, Midea 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, priced at $106.99. What stood out to me is its large 8-quart capacity, perfect for family gatherings. If you often cook for a crowd, this one is worth considering. This model combines multiple cooking functions, including pressure cooking, sauteing, and yogurt making. The stainless steel design ensures even cooking, and the smart cooking programs make it user-friendly, even for novices. With faster cooking times, up to 70% quicker than traditional methods, you'll be serving meals in no time. It's been purchased over 300 times recently, which suggests it's making an impact. But I'll be honest, some users did mention that it can be a bit bulky and takes up counter space. However, if you frequently cook large meals, that bulkiness could be an asset rather than a drawback. This is perfect for you if you need something that can handle bigger batches. Skip this if you have limited kitchen space. For the capabilities it offers, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if you want even faster cooking times, let's check out the last product on our list.
Product number 5, Ninja Hyperheat 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, priced at $169.99. This one caught my attention because of its hyperheat technology, which claims to cook up to 2x faster than traditional methods. If you're always in a rush, this might be your best bet. The Ninja doesn't just pressure cook, it also features a sear saute function, allowing you to build flavors directly in the pot. The large 6.5 quart capacity is suitable for family meals, and the PFAS-free pot means it's safe for high heat cooking. It's been bought over 200 times recently, indicating a growing interest. However, some users found the price a bit steep compared to others. Here's the thing though, if speed and versatility are your priorities, the investment could pay off in time saved during meal prep. This is perfect for you if you're a busy cook who values speed and efficiency. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and looking for the most basic functions. Given its features, it's a worthwhile option for anyone looking to speed up their cooking game. So there you have it. The Instant Pot Duo is great for versatility, the Kasori offers safety features, the Comfy is all about presets, the Media has the capacity for families, and the Ninja boasts speed. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you before making a choice.